Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common headache. The input file does not appear to be a valid archive error in PG_dump and PG_restore. This can be frustrating, but don't worry. We'll explore the common causes and how to fix them. So, let's get started and get your PostgreSQL backups working smoothly again. First, let's understand what this error means. PG_restore expects a specific file format generated by PG_dump. The error indicates that the input file it's receiving doesn't match that expected format. There are several reasons for this. The most frequent cause is a corrupted backup file. This can happen during the backup process itself if there are disk errors or network issues. It can also happen if the file is transferred incorrectly, leading to data loss. Another reason is incorrect usage of PG_dump. You might have accidentally used the wrong flags or commands, resulting in an incomplete or invalid archive. For example, if you use the ft_tar format option with PG_dump, you must specify ft with PG_restore. Failing to do so will result in this error. An often overlooked cause is interference during the backup or restore process. Perhaps another program is accessing or modifying the backup file while PG_dump or PG_restore is running. Finally, it could be a file permission issue. The user running PG_restore might not have the necessary permissions to read the backup file. Now, let's dive into troubleshooting. Start by verifying the file integrity. Use checksum tools like MD5sum or SHA-256sum on both the source, where the backup was created, and the destination, where you're restoring. If the checksums don't match, the file is corrupted and you need to create a new backup. Next, double-check your PG_dump and PG_restore commands. Pay close attention to the format options. If you used FC, custom format, during backup, make sure you're using it during restore too. If you used plain text format, ensure you're piping the output correctly. Also, verify that the user running PG_restore has read permissions on the backup file. Use commands like lsl to check permissions and shma to modify them if necessary. Try creating a fresh backup. This ensures that any issues during the original backup process are resolved. Make sure no other processes are interfering during this new backup creation. If you are transferring the backup file over a network, consider using a more reliable transfer method like SCP or RSANC and always verify the checksum. After the transfer, run PG_restore again with the new backup file. If the issue persists even with a fresh backup and correct commands, consider checking your PostgreSQL server logs. There might be underlying issues with the server itself that are causing problems with PG_dump. That's it for today's troubleshooting guide. Hopefully, this helped you fix the dreaded input file does not appear to be a valid archive error. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Consider supporting the channel by becoming a patron or buying our merch. Your support helps us create more helpful content like this. See you in the next video.